Ever wondered how to elevate your digital networking game? Welcome to the world of Netclan Explorer, the cutting-edge platform that's transforming the way we connect, communicate, and collaborate. First things first, make your way to the official Netclan Explorer website. This is your portal to a realm of endless networking possibilities. Once you're there, it's time to create your account. Download and install the app on your device, launch it, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide some basic information and set up your profile. Remember, your full name is your digital signature, so make it memorable. Netclan Explorer prioritizes your privacy. Take some time to adjust your privacy settings to suit your comfort level. You hold the reins of who can find and connect with you. This ensures a safe and secure networking experience tailored to your needs. Now that your account is ready, immerse yourself in the unique features of Netclan Explorer. Send instant messages, make audio-video calls, and start connecting with people within your vicinity. Explore the media gallery, job listings, dating section, and other exciting services. The world of Netclan Explorer is yours to discover. To truly leverage the power of Netclan Explorer, you'll need a compelling profile. Add captivating media, display your talents or products, and craft enticing offers to draw potential customers or connections. Think of your profile as your digital storefront, a place that reflects you and your brand. And finally, spread the good word about Netclan Explorer. Invite your friends, colleagues, or anyone who could benefit from this innovative platform. Share your experience on social media and watch your network grow. So, what's holding you back? Head over to Netclan, download the app, and begin your social networking journey. With Netclan Explorer, you're not just networking, you're exploring a world of connections. Happy networking!